Updating your legal name on your Huntington bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name change is processed quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that support your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit a local branch, or to the nearest Huntington bank branch. It's advisable to visit in person to expedite the process and get immediate assistance from a bank representative. Step 3. Speak with a bank representative. Once at the branch, explain your situation to a bank representative. They will guide you through the name change process and inform you of any additional requirements. Step 4. Complete the name change form. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes and update records. After submitting your form and documents, confirm with the bank representative that your name change has been processed. Check that all your account records are updated accordingly. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name on your Huntington bank account. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask a bank representative for assistance.